Hey everybody, Dave Igo here. Let me ask you a question. I just did a quick search on Google for St. Paul Plumber. Which one of these listings really jumps out at you? Exactly. This one right here, Paul the Plumber, that has this star rating. Now, since Google has stopped using the star rating internally, the only way to get these stars is to use Google rich snippets on your website. Now, let me ask you another question. When is the right time to ask a customer for a review? Exactly. The minute you've made them happy is the right place to put the call to action in front of them and harvest a review. Let me ask you one last question. How often does that right time coincide with the customer being in front of a computer? Exactly. Not very often. Now, we all know reputation management's hot, and we've been thinking about this problem, and we've come up with a solution. I want to show you something here. This is what we're calling SMSchema. This is our WordPress plugin for harvesting customer reviews via text message. Here you can see we've got some test reviews posted on this WordPress page. We just threw this up. Don't worry about the content expired thing here, but we just threw this up. We've got a couple of reviews posted here, and you can see this one's got a 2-star review and this one's got a 4-star review. Here's the question we asked and the answer that they gave along with their name and their email. You see what I'm saying? This is extremely powerful. Now, let me just grab this URL real quick. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to come over here to the Google Webmaster Tools Rich Snippet Testing Tool and paste this in and hit preview. Okay? Now you can see this is exactly how Google is going to see this page from now on because it has the rich snippet stars in it. Google, Yahoo, Bing, all of the different search engines can now pull this star rating and the review excerpt called the aggregated star rating, because it's the average, right into the search engine results. Let me show you how this plugin works. Here we're looking at the back end of the plugin in the admin area. Now this works with Twilio, so as of right now it's US, Canada, and UK only. However, we're looking at worldwide solutions, and we think we can have those done in the next week, week and a half for you. But for right now, it uses Twilio. So we would give our campaign a name, right? This one's called test, and a keyword. This is the keyword that the person would text in to start the review process. We're going to choose the phone number that we want to associate this campaign with, and then we're going to start asking questions. Okay, so you can see we have question types of name, email, regular, and rating. Those are the 4 question types we can ask somebody. Okay, name is mandatory because it's required by the rich snippet in order for the rich snippet to work. Email is optional, and then we can add as many questions as we want. Now over here we've got published by default. Now what that means, let's say we want to ask the customer 4 questions, but we only want 2 of them to appear in the review. We can have 2 of them checked, those 2 will appear in the review, and we can leave 2 unchecked and they won't appear in the review. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now, if you own the Wrecking Ball SMS system, you can also trigger an additional Wrecking Ball campaign, right? So the customer can get done with the review and you can immediately start them on one of our loyalty or viral SMS campaigns immediately after the review's done, or before the review has ended, or we can set it to start the campaign 2 days from now or 10 days from now, or whatever the case may be. If we put in 1 day, we can choose the time that it will start the next day. Pretty badass, isn't it? Now we've integrated with our Wrecking Ball SMS system, but if you pick up this plugin, you're using another SMS carrier, and your carrier has the appropriate API, we'll be more than happy to make the integration for you. This is a really cool feature. Let's take a look at this rating threshold. Now what this means is that all reviews that get a rating of 3.5 stars or higher will automatically be posted. All reviews that come in that get a star rating lower than that will be queued for your approval before they're posted to the website. So this ensures only good, positive reviews make it onto the website before you have a chance to look at them. You're going to get to see all of the reviews, but then you can decide to approve or deny or delete the bad ones. At the end of the review process, we can add a thank you message, which allows us to pass expiration dates into it. So we can give them an expiring coupon that's only good for 1 day or 10 days or 100 days. It's totally up to you, right? Now check this out. Like I said before, we can harvest name and email. Well, we've integrated with autoresponders, right? So we can immediately add that name and email to Aweber, MailChimp, iContact, and Constant Contact, and we've got 2 more autoresponders coming very, very soon. So this is going to be extremely powerful for your offline clients to be able to build their email list, which hopefully you're managing for them and charging them a monthly fee. We think this is an unbelievable service. Like I said, we all know reputation management is super, super hot. Now, how do we post the reviews? Let me show you this. This gets even easier. I'm just over here inside the members area where your SMSchema will be delivered, and we've got complete training videos. But posting the review is as simple as placing a shortcode on the page. Let me come back over here and just click edit. You can see that both of those reviews were put on the page simply by dropping this shortcode into the main content area of this WordPress page. Now we can post all the reviews. We can repost the first 5 reviews. We can post the reviews in descending order, right? We can repost the latest 5 reviews by using this shortcode right here. We can post reviews that only have a star rating of 2.5 or higher, 3.5 or higher, whatever we want to set that. You just have to drop this shortcode in and change that right there. You could change it to 4 or 5 or whatever you want. We can mix and match the terminology within the shortcode, so we can post reviews that only have a rating of 2.5 or higher, and we can post 5 of them as the amount. So by using these WordPress shortcodes, we can now put any reviews that we want on any page, in any post, or in any sidebar widget that accepts a shortcode. This is going to be one of the hottest reputation management tools out there. That's just all there is to it. Right on below this video, we've got the complete webinar where we talk about all of the features and all of the functionality, and we answer all kinds of questions, but I know a lot of you don't have that kind of time to watch a whole webinar. So I wanted to do this quick video just to show you exactly what the new SMSchema plugin is capable of and show you why you absolutely have to have it. My name's Dave Igo, and I hope to see you on the inside of our members area. Have a great day and a profitable tomorrow.